Hi everybody, this is Christine with the Crafter's House Post, and today I'm trying to finish up drying some of my flowers. These have been in for a couple of weeks. I get lazy, don't want to do it in my dehydrator, so I just come out here and I pull the ones that I want, and you just stick them in something with parchment paper, and you just lay them like that. And after you fill up your container, I like to pick the nicer ones because they grow right back within the next day. So when I have this whole container out here, because it's windy and I tried doing it before, my flowers kept blowing away. So if you put it in a good thick, deep plastic container, then they won't fly away. And so then after you get done picking all your flowers, you just put that on top and cover them real good. And then you just put some books or magazines on top and you let them sit for 30 days. Or you can throw them in the dehydrator or dry them however you see fit. But this is the time of year to be drying flowers, because as you can see, they are fully in bloom. Okay, hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.